How the Leopard Got His Spots.
It is a long time ago in the high veld, and all the animals are a similar colour. It is difficult to see the zebra and the giraffe, but the leopard is exactly the same colour as the high veld. He's almost invisible.
Can I smell a predator?
Do I hear a noise?
And he loves to surprise the other animals. Sometimes the leopard hunts with an Ethiopian.
Look, there they are again.
I'm tired of all these surprises.
The zebra and the giraffe decide to leave the high veld. Eventually, they arrive at a great forest full of green trees and bushes.
The colours here are nicer than the high veld.
It's nice and cool too.
The forest is full of strange and wonderful shadows. They fall on the animals. After some time they don't go away.
Look, now I have beautiful markings on my skin.
And I have stupendous stripes. We can hide from that nasty leopard now.
Where are our breakfast and dinners?
Don't ask me. I'm too hungry to think.
Bavian, the wise baboon, arrives.
Oh, wise Bavian, where are the animals that we like to eat?
They're in another spot. I suggest that you look for other spots too.
The hunters find the forest, but they can't find the animals.
What is this place so dark, but full of patches of light?
I don't know. It must be the other spot Bavian talks about. I can smell giraffe, I can hear giraffe, but I can't see giraffe.
And I can smell zebra. I can hear zebra, but I can't see zebra.
Why can't we see our favourite snacks? Normally a giraffe in a dark place is like a banana on a coconut tree.
I know they're here somewhere. Let's wait until night time. Gotcha! I've got zebra!
And I've got giraffe.
There's something strange about these animals.
So let's wait till morning to see. What's this? A giraffe with patches?
What's this? A zebra with stripes? Now, zebra, in the high veld, I can see you 10 miles away.
Ah, but this isn't the high veld.
Zebra and giraffe demonstrate their trick.
Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Now, where's your breakfast?
That's a good trick. In this forest you look like a white tsetse on a black panther, my friend leopard. I've got an idea. Now you're in a new spot. You need new spots too.
But where can I find spots?
The man knows where to find some colour to make leopard spots.
Look, the colour isn't dry yet. See, now you can have spots too.
Now I can hide in the forest. Let's go and hunt. 1, 2, 3, now. Where's our breakfast?